Lesson number 12, the stone cutter. In this chapter, today we will do question answer and some exercises. First of all, write question using black pen, answer with blue pen. Question number 1, why was the stone cutter unhappy in the beginning? Answer is, in the beginning, the stone cutter was unhappy because he always thought that life had not been fair to him. Second question, what did the sage sprinkle over the stone cutter? Answer is, the sage sprinkled holy water over the stone cutter. Question number 3, did the stone cutter enjoy being a king? Answer is yes, the stone cutter enjoyed being a king. Question number 4, why did the stone cutter want to be the sun? Answer is, the stone cutter wanted to be the sun because he thought that the sun is more powerful than the king. That's why he wanted to be a sun. Question number 5. What did he realize in the end? Answer is, in the end, he realized that the way nature has made us is the best for us. These are the question answer which you have to do in your copy. After this, we will do next exercise, that is fill in the blanks. This also you have to do in your copy. First of all, mention the heading using black pen, whole statement with blue pen, and fill the blanks with black pen. First one is, the stone cutter passed through a forest. Answer is forest, right? Forest. Second, the dash was sitting under a tree. The sage was sitting under a tree. Third, the dash shone proudly in the sky. The sun shone proudly in the sky. Fourth, a huge black dash moved between him and the earth cloud. A huge cloud, black cloud, moved between him and the earth. I am repeating it. The stone cutter passed through a forest. Second, the sage was sitting under a tree. Third, the sun shone proudly in the sky. Fourth, a huge black cloud moved between him and the earth. After this, our next exercise is true and false. Write T for true and F for false. First one is, you have to use blue pen for writing this the statement, and true false with black pen. First one is, stone cutter was very unhappy. This one is correct. So write T for true. Second, he wanted to become a merchant. This one is also true. Write T for true. Third, he did not want to be a king. This is false because he wanted to be a king. So write F for false. Fourth, he was satisfied being the wind. No, he was not satisfied being a wind. So write down F for false. First one is, the stone cutter was very unhappy. It is true. Second, he wanted to become a merchant. This one is also true. Third, he did not want to be a king. This is false. Fourth, he was satisfied being the wind. This is false. Students, you have to do these exercises also in your copy. After this, there are 3 pictures in your book on page number 45. Out of these 3, you have to do only one picture. You have to draw only one picture. From this picture and this picture, there are 3 pictures, but out of these 2 pictures, this one and this one, you have to draw any one in your copy. And after that, learn these question answer and exercises. In our next video, I will tell you about some more exercises. Thank you.